When it comes to making your home more energy efficient, many Eagle homeowners immediately think of upgrading insulation or replacing windows. But there's one often overlooked upgrade that can make a major difference: replacing your doors. A high-quality, professionally installed door can significantly improve your home's energy performance, especially in a place like Eagle, where seasonal temperature swings and varying weather conditions are part of daily life. If you're looking to lower your energy bills, reduce drafts, and enjoy a more comfortable home year-round, here's how door replacement in Eagle can deliver powerful energy efficiency gains. Eliminate air leaks and drafts. Old doors, especially those made of wood or poorly insulated materials, can warp, crack, or shift over time. This results in tiny gaps around the frame where air sneaks in or out. These leaks may seem small, but they can cause your HVAC system to work harder, leading to higher heating and cooling costs. Replacing your old entry, patio, or side door with a modern, energy-efficient model ensures a snug, airtight seal. Professionally installed doors come with advanced weather stripping, insulated frames and core, precision fitting to eliminate gaps. The result? Fewer drafts and more consistent indoor temperatures throughout your home. Better insulation equals lower energy bills. One of the most immediate benefits of a new energy-efficient door is improved insulation. Today's door designs feature materials and cores specifically engineered to reduce thermal transfer, meaning less heat escapes in the winter and less outdoor heat enters in the summer. Popular materials that offer excellent insulation include fiberglass, lightweight, durable, and resistant to temperature swing. Steel with insulated cores. Great for security and energy performance. Composite materials. Designed for both style and thermal efficiency. Many modern doors also come with foam-injected cores and multi-pane glass inserts to help trap conditioned air inside and keep your home comfortable. Enhanced performance in Eagle's unique climate. Eagle experiences a range of weather conditions: hot summers, cold winters, and everything in between. High-quality doors are built to perform well under these variable conditions. Look for ENERGY STAR certified products, which are independently tested and rated for performance in specific climate zones, including the Intermountain West region. These doors offer resistance to warping or expanding in fluctuating temperatures, moisture resistance to prevent swelling or rotting during wet conditions, UV protection on glass panels to reduce solar heat gain. Choosing a door specifically rated for Eagle's climate ensures maximum energy savings and durability year after year. Improved comfort and indoor air quality. Energy-efficient doors do more than lower your utility bills. They also contribute to a healthier, more comfortable living environment. By blocking drafts, moisture, and outdoor pollutants, these doors help maintain indoor air quality and temperature balance. This is especially important for homes with young children or seniors who are sensitive to cold or heat. Allergy sufferers, as sealed doors reduce pollen and dust infiltration. in home offices, where consistent temperature improves productivity. Replacing your doors is a simple way to make your entire home feel cozier and more livable. Added bonuses: security and style. While energy efficiency is a major advantage, modern replacement doors also come with added benefits that enhance your home as a whole. These include enhanced security features, such as multi-point locking systems and reinforced frames, custom design options, with a wide range of colors, finishes, and decorative glass, increased curb appeal and resale value. You'll not only save on energy costs, you'll also boost the aesthetic and market value of your home in Eagle. Final thoughts: a smart, efficient upgrade for Eagle Home. If you're looking for a home improvement project that delivers immediate and long-term value, replacing your doors is a smart move. From reducing your monthly energy bills to improving comfort, insulation, and air quality, the benefits speak for themselves. Work with a trusted local contractor in Eagle to choose and install the right door for your home and climate. The result? A beautiful, energy-efficient home that stays comfortable in every season.